Welcome to Transcat Compliance's SBD web series, where we want to keep your projects on schedule and within budget by avoiding common deviations. My name is David Gann, a compliance engineer with Transcat. Today I would like to discuss some topics related to temperature mapping studies of warehouses, pharmacy spaces, or any room or building requiring controlled temperature storage. First, it is important to align the acceptance criteria of the qualification study with the storage requirements of the samples, materials, and products being stored. USP gives guidance on common storage temperature requirements. Examples include cold storage, which is defined as 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and temperature-controlled room, which is defined as 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature-sensitive materials will often be labeled with storage requirements which supersede general guidance. Humidity can be mapped as for information only if the storage requirements do not include a humidity specification. The initial qualification should include mapping studies in the summer and the winter to ensure that heating and cooling characteristics of the HVAC system and the building maintain the proper environmental conditions for the storage of the regulated materials. As with any temperature mapping, excursions are a possibility. Some common causes we have seen are the intrusion of outside air through open doors, the HVAC system is undersized or inadequate to maintain the acceptance criteria within the storage space, or as a result of poor insulation. Fortunately, excursions can be corrected by only adjusting the settings within the thermostat or the HVAC controller. Sometimes excursions are from data that exceeds the humidity specification limit. This can be resolved by adding a commercial-grade dehumidifier or humidity control to the HVAC system. We've also observed excessive humidity excursions caused by the curing of freshly poured foundation, which can take months to cure under certain conditions. Some little to no cost corrective actions include optimizing the programming of your HVAC system, installing a password or a lockbox over thermostats to ensure that your settings are not tampered with, training your staff in the importance of limiting outside air from entering the building through better policing of the door and limiting loading and unloading times, marking failing areas for non-GMP storage to be used for items that are not temperature sensitive. Some moderate cost options include installing an audible alarm to raise awareness of open doors. Alternatively, the addition of improved weather stripping or barrier in the doorway can greatly reduce intrusions of outside air. Types of barriers that can be installed include plastic curtains that allow the passage of people and forklifts, installing an air curtain above the bay door. Another method involves isolating the storage location from the shipping and receiving dock by building walls or barriers. The most effective corrective actions also come with the highest cost. Some options could include installing a higher rated insulation in adjacent walls and ceilings of the storage area and upgrading the HVAC system of the building to one that can adequately maintain the required temperature. Excursions can be justified via other means. United States Pharmacopoeia allows excursions if the calculated mean kinetic temperature, also known as MKT, does not exceed 25 degrees Celsius. Other justifications are also valid, such as following an internally approved quality document that details excursion responses, or having a scientifically valid justification of no impact. Avoiding deviations by identifying and correcting potential problems before the qualification study is the best course of action. We recommend a visual inspection of the warehouse to identify potential areas of concern, and auditing historical monitoring data, as this could help to eliminate potential deviations that result from excursions. If your situation involves a very large warehouse or storage space, warehouses can be sectioned off and mapped in phases. If equipment is your concern, Transcat Compliance offers a self-service option which includes 300 wireless data loggers with 17025 accredited calibration, the development of a protocol, and remote assistance of one of our compliance engineers. We know this was a lot to cover, and there is much more information to share, so please let us know if you have any questions or concerns regarding an upcoming warehouse mapping project. Maybe you have past experience you'd like to share. We hope to learn from you as well. As always, please like, share, and follow us for updates on future episodes. Thank you, and have a good day.